Today we are going to talk about apps that you can download on your mobile phone and make money legitimately from anywhere in the world by completing some tasks. Tasks like playing games, like live streaming, socializing, listening to voice notes, replying to text messages, and so on and so forth. Like, what a time to be alive. These apps that I'm going to be mentioning, they are 100% free. You don't have to invest a dime before you start making money on these apps, and you can actually do it from anywhere in the world. In my agency, I've seen people withdrawing money from these apps from US, people from Canada, people from Nigeria right here, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa. Like, I'm just so happy and excited with these apps. I actually have up to 10 apps, but in this video I'm going to only mention 3 apps, so it depends on how I see you guys engage with it. Then I might do more videos like this one. If you watch this video till the end, you are going to first understand how these apps work. Secondly, know the various ways you can make money from these apps. Thirdly, know which type of phone that best suits you, or which of the app that best suits you, because some of the apps work better on iPhone while some work better on Android, but all of them works on both iPhone and Android. And at the end of the day, you also know how much money you can actually make on these apps. And don't just go downloading the app, because as I mentioned their names, please, there are some people that are doing the fake ones. So I beg you, please, I'm going to drop links in the description of the video where you can just click and it will take you to where you can download this app. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. The first on my list right here is Toloka app, and this app is my least favorite when it comes to making money, but it's my most favorite when it comes to fun and excitement. And on this app, all you need to do is answer questions, and as you answer questions, you get paid, and your answer is going to help make products and services even much better. Like some of the questions I answered today, if I click on the product, it will straightly take me to Amazon, and I will see the product and I'll come back and answer questions. So it's so fun. If you are techie or you just love answering questions, you are going to have a lot of fun on this app. And this app is suitable for both male and female, and it's very okay on both iPhone and Android. And what I love the most about this app is that it's anonymous. Like, your answers are anonymous. It's not going to show that it's Ijapori that answered this question or anything of such. And you can actually download it. I will drop the link in the description of this video. When you download it, all you need to do is to sign up with your email and your phone number, okay? And you can withdraw your earning through Payoneer or Parara. I don't know much about Parara, but I know very much about Payoneer. So Payoneer is an alternative of PayPal. In case if you're in a country where PayPal is not allowed, you can actually use Payoneer. So, and I have made a detailed video explaining to you, showing you practically step by step on how to download, how to create and verify and even withdraw your earnings from Payoneer account. So I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description, and if you are finding it difficult to get that video as I'm talking right now, you can just ask in the comment section and I'm going to give you the link to that video. So both guys, both ladies, you can do that, and it's always okay on both iPhone and Android. The second app on my list right here is the Mayo app, and we call it the Yellow app. This app is so sweet. It's a new generational socializing app that you can use to send message, to listen to voice note, images, to even go live, to make friends, and you also perform daily tasks. There are tasks that will be given to you if you sign up. You need to first of all download the app. The link is in the description. You are also going to do your face authentication. You are going to put in your email and phone number. And this app is most suitable on Android because it's still working on iPhone. I'm still using my iPhone to do things on the app, but at the same time, when I see the Android version of it, I know instantly that it's best suitable for on Android, but it's also okay, it's still working on iPhone. So but this app is most favorable to the ladies. Ladies make more money on this app than the guys. In fact, like, it's as if it's just meant for the ladies, but the guys are also there, and they are also still various ways they can use it to also make money. So you perform daily tasks, you need to do your authentication. So if you just go into the app, you click on, once you have done everything, you are going to click on the me. When you click on the me, you are going to see the tasks that you are going to do for the day and all that. It's very easy, and I so much love this app because it doesn't have agency, it only have family. So oh yes, so as it has family, and you can easily just join the family. If you don't want to stay in any family, you can click and leave the family and join another family. The app is so fun to play with. Like, I see people doing amazing things, but it's not restricted. As you can see, I am almost 40, I am married with 4 kids, but I'm still doing this app. I'm still doing my tax, and I'm still earning. So it is what it is. If you want to use it for the negative aspect of life, then so be it. For somebody like me, I love making money, and I make it legitimately. And you can also withdraw your money into USDT, that's crypto, or you can also withdraw it to Payoneer. I've not tried using it on USDT because when I tried it on USDT, it did not work for me the first time. So I just withdraw my earning to Payoneer account. Okay, so again, the link to the Payoneer account is in the description of this video. If you have any question, please ask. And before I go into the third video, yes, I have a Telegram channel, I have a Telegram group. I'm going to drop it in the description of this video, where you can click in case you find anything difficult here. There is a group, and once you join that group, I pin a message, I pin a post where I'll put, here's the link to the first app, here's the link to the second app, here's the link to the third app, and everything you need to get started and all that. And if you join that group, you can directly send me private message where I will respond to you if in case you have any challenges. Okay, but you have to be patient though. So but I answer quickly on the comment section of the video right here on YouTube. So if you have question that is pressing, please ask me in the comment section of my YouTube video. I try as much as I can to answer them as fast as possible, which will take me to the third app, the most favorite, the one I love so much, so much, the one app that I have made the most amount of money ever on the internet, and the app is called Poppo app, or you can call it Von app. Both Poppo and Von is owned by the same person. If you have been following me closely, you will discover that I've made over 40 videos on this particular app. So the Poppo app is a live streaming app that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefits, and you can perform viral tags. And I don't want to bore you so much about the app, but on this channel I've made 13 different ways you can make money on that Poppo app. So yes, and you can make a lot. I like the opportunity are endless on Poppo. If you see somebody telling you that I've made $1,000 a day, don't doubt the person, because the person can play game unlimited amount. And while some people can tell you that they barely make $1 on that app, and it is true that, like, the opportunities on the Poppo app are endless. So on the Poppo app, there are actually taxes that you do. Number one, for the ladies, the moment you join the app, you download the app, the link is in the description, you do your first authentication. Of course, you sign up with your email and phone number. Once you have done that, you go live. When you go live, the very first day you go live, you are going to get 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. So yes, and then you have party tax, where you will just join a party and sit on a crown seat. You might not understand all this that I'm saying if you are new, but if you join the Telegram, I have detailed video explaining to you all that. And in the description of this video, I will drop the link to all the over 40 videos I've made about the Poppo app that you can watch and understand it better. Or better still, if you sign up successfully and use my ID to join me on a live stream, you will meet me live right there. If you ask questions, I'm going to answer you about the Poppo app. So on the Poppo app, the opportunities are endless, and it's most favorable for the ladies as well. And it is working for both Android and iPhone, but iPhone is far much more better because when you're live streaming, it doesn't hook. But even Android phone, I use both Android, I even use this particular phone as you see right here. and I use iPhone at the same time, but it's more suitable when you are using iPhone, especially when it comes to face authentication. iPhone camera is better, so it's always, it will not give you headache. That's one. Secondly, you can withdraw your money to USDT, you can withdraw your money to Payoneer, you can withdraw your money to ePay, depending on your location. So Poppo is just so large. You can play games, but for the guys, if you join, you can start performing tasks, but you don't earn much. But for you to earn, for you to start making more money, you need to get to level 10. And for you to get to level 10 on the Poppo app, you do that by exchanging of gifts or by gifting, which you need to buy coins. But again, I have made a video sharing with you how you can get free coins on that Poppo app, so that you can grow your coins and then use it for exchange and grow. When you get to level 10, then you can become an agent, you can start live streaming and start making money on the app. I've done a lot of videos. I don't want to waste your time much on this Poppo, but if you have been following me, you will know that I love Poppo. So these are the 3 apps that you can make money legitimately. Like all these 3 apps that I mentioned to you right here, on daily basis I ensure I use them, and on daily basis I make money right here from my comfort zone at home in Nigeria. Please don't let anyone brainwash you. Even right here in Nigeria, you can still make money. If you are looking for get rich quick, this video is definitely not for you. But if you can put in the work, be consistent and be patient, and then do what it is meant for you to do without looking for the other way, then you are going to make a lot of money. I have done a video sharing with you how much I have made so far on this app. I'm going to also drop it in the description of this video. Please, if you have not liked this video, kindly give me a like, I beg of you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It means a lot for me. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.